Well, I got a problem. Not good. So I got the main area out there all plowed. I got this here beside the panels in front of the house plowed. And I got the driveway plowed. So I got the driveway plowed, that main area in here. So I got everything that absolutely needs to be plowed. I didn't go out back by the trail cam. I usually do that, but I didn't, because this happened. See that? The winch cable broke. So the winch is how you pull this up and down to put the plow in and out. And that can no longer happen because that's broke. And now I need to take another piece of that out. And tie around like that to tighten those together. So that's what's up. Fun. That's probably frozen up pretty good. Maybe I'll take it off, bring it inside, get those off. Go from there. Alright, so I got it in here now. So there's the piece of cable that broke. So what I gotta do is take these here off. Alright, so I'm gonna take those off. This here ring, because that hooks to the plow. This here's what holds it in, and then that cotter pin. So I just gotta take those off, then go outside and pull another piece of this out, fold it around, fold it through there, and tighten her down here, and then throw some tape on. And that's it. I was told when I got it off the guy who actually was plowing. I got a model that, like a demo model at the dealership, so it was a lot cheaper. Anyhow, that this here could happen, that this could break. That's really wet snow out there, and you can get hung up on a piece and trying to bring it back. Anyways, neither here nor there. How it happened, it happened. And yeah, so I'm going to do that and move on. Alright, so I'm going to take this out. Don't tell Ashley I did this on the table, eh? I'm going to take this out. I'm just going to take it out like this so then I can see exactly, I'll reshape it the same as this one was. Throw the tape on her, throw those on, and finish plowing. got the plowing done. Just wanted to share that with you. The putting the cable on, how it works even. It's even good for some of you might not have one yet, how those plows work on those side by side. So that's how to put the cable together, and that's how to fix it. Trial by fire. If you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. See you in the next one.